Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME Narzo 60 and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find password and security. Then let's tap on the fingerprint, and basically if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, you will have to enter it to go to another step. If not, you will have to add it right now, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the other PIN or password. So simply do it, and then you will be able to follow my steps. Now we've got the instructions, what we have to do. So simply put our finger on the sensor, which is located on the right side of our device on the power button. So let me do it. Let me put my finger on it multiple times in order to add it fully and try to catch all areas for better recognition. Okay, and as you can see, we just successfully added the fingerprint, so let's simply tap on done. Alright, and this is the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it. We can add another fingerprint. I believe we can add up to 5 different fingerprints. Here we can decide for what we want to use the fingerprint for, so the screen unlock, app save and private save. Sorry, app lock and private save. You can decide whether you want to enter the home screen after unlocking and the screen of unlock, the method of unlocking, so the light touch, which means that you have to simply put your finger on the sensor, and the firm touch, not only put but also press the power button. It's of course up to you, however this option I believe is much more comfortable. Alright, so let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see the screen is unblocked, which simply means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.